Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool gift idea for someone that really likes coffee. This is an entire kit that lets you go ahead and take everything from beans to a cup of coffee all in one nice kit. And another nice feature they send you with is a gift bag. So you can actually put it in this really nice matte black gift bag, which is super cool that you can do that. This kit came packaged extremely well, has everything inside here that you would need to make a great cup of coffee. It does come with a little jar that you can use to store some beans in. If you're wanting to store some beans on your counter, you can easily do that so that you've got those stored. And it's got a little airtight seal around there to kind of keep those fresh. You have the actual pot itself, which this is an older style design, of kind of this octagonal design of more of an antique looking coffee pot, but really a cool hinge design on that. It's all aluminum, so it's all metal, which is a really nice design as well. And it does have a really nice base that's going to work well with this hot plate that they have here. So what we're going to do is take this apart, unscrews on the bottom. In here you've got your filter that's going to be used for your coffee, but oh no, I've only got coffee beans. Well, that's okay, because they actually send you with this manual grinder, which is really kind of a neat idea, that this is a small little grinder here. You can put your coffee beans in there with what? Well, how about a scoop? They provide you with that too. So we can go ahead and take our coffee beans using the scoop, put those in there to get those ground up. And then in addition to that, the scoop actually comes with a little clip on the back. So if you weren't going to be using that and had a bag coffee you'd already opened up, you can actually use this clip to actually help clip your coffee together, and your scoop stays right there with your coffee. So that's another neat, intuitive design they've got right there. I'm going to go ahead and lock this in place, and using this grinder, you can actually see it's going to grind it. It's going to grind our coffee down into the bottom. So now that we've got this coffee ground in there, it's nice and fresh. You actually have the filter part here. It's a little kind of a heavier duty filter here, and you've got your aluminum piece here with the base plate. You can add up to about 4 ounces worth of water into the bottom of that. And then we're going to go ahead and put this in here. And they do provide you with these little tiny paper filters that you can choose to use if you wish to put that in there as well. And then you're going to take your coffee grounds. They provide you with an additional little filter piece that goes in there. And this not only acts as a funnel, but if you pile it in there, this also acts as a way to turn this around and actually get your coffee down in there and smooths it all out in there, so it gets it in there just nice. So you got everything in there and smoothed out. You don't want to pack this down. You just want to get it all nice and smooth in there like that. So that allows you to do all that and keep it all off the rim. So that's really a nice idea there as well. Now in the kit, remaining in the kit here, you have your actual base plate. It's a hot pot base plate, and you do have a little cleaning brush that is in there too. So to go ahead and get this plugged in, I'm going to simply just plug this into a standard 110 outlet here. And then it's got a setting on the front here that you can adjust this from off all the way up to 5 to get it as hot as it'll go. And that hot pot plate will start heating up. It's a 500 watt plate. We're going to go ahead and screw this coffee pot on here, the top part, and put it on there. And then here, in less than 5 minutes, we are going to have a nice hot pot of coffee. So this has been heating up now for a few minutes, and it's got this nice handle. I wanted to point out this is not a hot handle. It's kind of a wood grain design handle, as well as the part on top, because the rest of this is aluminum. I think we actually might have some coffee starting to come out right now. So it's actually putting that coffee out into there like that, and it's smelling really good. Let's go ahead and get this put over here, and we'll kind of show you what this is going to look like here. So there's your 4 ounces worth of coffee. You can add some milk to that, and you're ready to go. This would be great if you're going to go on a trip or something like that, because everything was easily packed in a nice box that you could easily take with you, or to act as a great gift that you could give away to anybody using that wonderful gift bag that they provided.